welcome to the Glasgow Solebloc Sneaker Event video. You're probably wondering, where are we right now? We're actually at the airport and we're not flying to Glasgow. The event is tomorrow, we gotta be there at 8 AM and we're currently in Amsterdam airport. Gotta get the flight back to Manchester, drive to near Birmingham because that's where we are, get all the stuff and then leave at 2 or 3 AM to then start driving to Glasgow. It is currently 3:43 AM. We have made it back home and now we are on the way to Glasgow. Right, welcome everyone to a Solebloc sneaker event. You're going to come on in, hopefully we'll get some sales, but we are selling today. We're also going to try and buy a little bit. They've got loads of stuff in there, and they've also got this room in here, which is where most of the sneaker sellers are. Here is our small but good base. So we're currently in the works of doing a deal. We got the Azure slides, the triple pink dunks, Onyx slides, 2 pairs of them, all ready and all paid for. We're just trying to work out a further deal for some Travis holidays, but we'll see how it goes. These are all of them, all bagged up, all stamped up, ready to go. Just missed that sale, but we did sell a pair of Onyx 350s, a size 10 for £240. Going really, really well. We'll take a look around in a little bit, but for now, it is all sales, sales, sales. So yeah, so Onyx 5.5 and 8, 220. Zebra 6 and 8, 225. Both of them. Pirate Black UK 9, 220, and then a Seafoam 4.5, 250. 220 plus 220 at the bottom bit here, plus 225 plus 225, 220 and 250. 1360. All cash. Sound. Even better. Alright, so cash out for today, cash out today, 1,360. Had a really good fury of sales, I'm not gonna lie. We sold a Broken Planet hoodie for 140. We also sold a Photon Dust UK 10 for 230. And finally, I'm trying to remember what it was, a Jordan 11 Cherry for 200. Now I'm going to attempt to record a lot more. It's just quite hard with the music being around, and also I don't really want to shove people. I don't want to shove cameras in people's faces. So the event is in full flow. We're currently about 1 or 2 hours in, so I'll keep you updated while I can. 4 infrared UK 7.5, 225. Not bad at all. Hopefully you can hear me right. Music ain't too loud. But yeah, straight off the bat, off the Yeezy Bolt deal. So sales have come in late, but they're doing well now. They're picking up. So got to be on my A game. Let's get these packed up, and we'll be all ready to go. Just double check the sizes. We've got a right and a left. 7.5, and that is a right, and 7.5 left. Got business cards in. That's cash as well, so even better. Appreciate it, man. Appreciate it. All good. I can't count. Can you count?
370.
What?
See that was?
Yeah, 370. Yeah.
That's what just...
That was a military black Jordan 4 for £370, which is a very good price again. We sold a pair of Photon Dust Yeah, I'm giving a good price, 215. Probably a bit lower than I wanted, but oh well. Was it not the people who bought bulk before? All sorted, touching in the bank, done.
Might stand back a bit. Right. The mic was off for the previous time, so we have sold 2 pairs on its side and a GS Thunder 5.5Y. We're just going to check them all over and then get them started. We're literally still packing, like still getting ready, so it's the start of day 2 though, and not a bad start. Check them out, man. Yeah, Onyx side UK8, Onyx side UK9, GS, Thunder UK5. So all good to go. Just got to check money's gone in. All good, man. Cheers. All good.
Thank you.
Appreciate it. See you soon.